another episode in this Photoshop tool series. So in this episode I'll be showing you how to use the shape tools, shortcut U. So the first shape is the rectangle shape. As you can see, you can use it to create different kinds of rectangle, and it picks the foreground colors. So it's advisable you put your desirable colors on the foreground so it can give you what you want. Then the next is the rounded rectangular tool. This is also a rectangular tool, but you can actually the edges are rounded. You can change the sizes here as you would like. And you can just make the edges rounded instead of creating a direct rectangle tool and trying to crop out the edges. This gives it a perfect rounded edge. And you can also select colors, play with outlines as you would like, and it's very convenient. You can also select different presets here of what you would like your object to look like. So the next tool is the Eclipse Tool, which is an ellipse like it says, or a circle. So you can actually just use it, press shift and drag, and it will give you a perfect circle. Then the next is the Polygon Tool, which gives you different polygons, and you can also offset the number of sides you would like. And here you can change the number of sides to give you your desired shape. And you don't forget to always hold shift if you want a perfect shape. Here, increase that to 12, and there you have it, as many sides as possible. Then the next is the line tool, which is just a straight up line, but sometimes can come out as a rectangle. So you have to be very careful. You have to convert the outline, remove the fill, make sure the outline is big enough and it's visible, so it can actually be a line, but it doesn't give you like a direct line as the Adobe After Illustrator would. It actually gives you a rectangle. So for you if you want it to be a line, you have to change the sizes, which will make it come out way better. So you can increase and play with all these presets and all as you would like. So if you pick a fill color, it will still be there. The fill color will be there because it's actually a rectangle. So you have to be really careful of the colors you pick and make sure it is what you actually want. Okay, that is not visible. So as you see, as I extend it, you can see now the lines are showing and the rectangle is obvious now. So you can actually use this or just use a direct rectangular tool to get what you want. And that's straight up. You can just move ahead and pick what you would like, and you can convert it back to a rectangle if you would like. So you do, and just reduce it and it forms a line. So that was why I said you could actually decide to pick either a rectangular tool or this. So the last tool is the custom shape tool. This comes with different, Photoshop already has different presets of tools, of shapes that you can pick from to make your designs look fancier, or logo icons like this. The registered icon, it's already there, so you can just pick it and drag. And I will change the color to white to make it more visible. So there you have it. Have the color, you have the white, and you can also, there are different chat box and stuff like that, which is really easy. Just click and drag. You can play with it as much as you would like for whatever you would want to use it for. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. See ya.